Question number 25. Okay. 3 electron energy levels of a gas atom E0, E1, E2 are shown increasing energy. The following 3 claims are being photons associated with the energy changes. See, whenever there is an electron transition diagram given over here, okay, energy diagram is given over here, the first thing that I would always recommend is that first this should be related to either frequency or wavelength, okay, either of them. So therefore, now first what we do is let us find out what are the energy levels. So E2 to E1, whenever there is a transition which takes place between E2 to E1, what can happen? So E2 minus E1, difference in energy levels, will be equal to HF, which would be equal to Hc by lambda, right? Which means that, see, this energy difference is smaller, which means what? So delta E is smaller for this region, which means F will reduce or lambda will increase. This is the first thing that we can note here. Then E2 to E0, E2 minus E0 is equal to what? Which should once again be equal to HF2. Let us say this is HF1, okay, and therefore this will be HF2. So what will happen over here? When the transition happens like this over here, F2 will be higher, F2 will increase, and what will happen to lambda? Lambda will decrease. Now let us read the options with these two. Transition from E2 to E1 will produce photons with shortest wavelength. Does it produce shortest wavelength? No, it produces longest wavelength. So therefore, this is incorrect. Then transition from E2 to E0 will produce photons with the highest frequency. Definitely E2 to E1, okay, energy difference is largest one here amongst all of them. So therefore, produces highest frequency. This is also correct. And then what do we have? 3 lines in the spectrum of this gas appear. 3 lines. Does it produce 3 lines? Definitely produce 3 lines. Which are this? See, one is here, second one is here, third one from E1 to E0, right? 3 lines. So therefore, this is also correct. So thus, all the 3 are correct. That is, second and third are correct. Second and third answer is C over here.